Welcome to IrisLogic, where excellence meets innovation. In this video, we will explore the wide range of services IrisLogic offers to empower your center of excellence. Get ready to dive into the world of transformative technologies and expertise. At IrisLogic, we harness the power of AWS Technologies to drive your CoE success. From cloud migration to infrastructure management and scalable solutions, our experts ensure your organization leverages the full potential of Amazon Web Services. Java Technologies, unlock the potential of Java with IrisLogic. Our team of Java experts provides end-to-end solutions, including custom development, enterprise application integration, and performance optimization, all tailored to meet your CoE's specific needs. User experience, UI or UX, delight your users with exceptional experiences through IrisLogic's UI/UX services. Our talented designers and usability experts work closely with your CoE to create intuitive, visually appealing interfaces that enhance user satisfaction and drive engagement. Full-stack open source development. Embrace the power of open source with IrisLogic's full-stack development expertise. Our team excels in utilizing open source technologies, frameworks, and libraries to deliver robust, scalable, and cost-effective solutions for your CoE's needs. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Empower your CoE with the transformative potential of machine learning and artificial intelligence. IrisLogic's data scientists and AI specialists create intelligent systems, predictive models, and advanced analytics to drive data-driven decision-making and innovation. Learn more about our CoE services in Microsoft Technologies, network and database management, and quality assurance and testing on our website at irislogic.com. Reach out to IrisLogic today and unlock the power of innovation for your center of excellence. Thank you.